Hi all, welcome to Japan Diaries. Today topic is IT related course review based on job opportunities. I have posted last video about job opportunities in Japan. If you didn't watch, kindly check the link in description box. In that video, you may have noticed the requirements of different programming languages in different job opportunities. Now I would like to discuss about foundation subjects and domain options. Before choose our domain, we should have in-depth knowledge about foundation subjects. Here I have listed some foundation subjects. The first one is C programming. C programming is the root of all recent trend languages. We can develop desktop application, web-based application, device-based application using recent trend languages like Java, PHP, Python, Android, etc. If we mastered in C programming with logical thinking, then easily we can understand recent trends. Next one is C++. The modern languages are developed through OOPS principle. If we want to understand the object-oriented principle, we should study C++. We don't want any big setup to learn C++. Just go to Google and type Turbo C++. You can download easily and learn OOPS principle. Once you are mastered in C++, you can easily understand recent trends, languages with OOPS concepts. Next important thing is logical thinking. Without logical thinking, even though you know C++ definition, syntax, theoretical part, it's not worth it. For example, we will have factorial program. First you should know about manual calculation, then only you can convert it into the program. So we should study about manual calculation of all problems and convert it into program. The next important thing is check your results with compiler. The results should be equal. If there is any deviation, you should rethink and compute. So finally your thinking and compiler results should be equal. You can achieve logical thinking through self-learning tools and book back exercises. In all educational institutions nowadays, encouraging to solve problems through self-learning tools, so properly utilize it. If you are not aware about self-learning tools, then download the problems in internet, try to solve first. If you could not solve, then refer the answer. Through this you can achieve logical thinking. Next fundamental subject is VB.NET and SQL Server. Before we have discussed about coding part, but this is all about drag and drop to create business application. This will be your first experience. Here I have given one login page. This login page designed through VB.NET. When we give the input to username and password, it will be stored in the database. The database has developed by SQL Server. You should have studied the fundamental subjects before choosing your domain options. Now we will move on to domain options. I have organized domain options from the job opportunities I have previously posted. So the domain options are .NET Web Development, Java, Android Application, PHP, Python, Network Engineer, Automated Testing, Database Administrator and Translator. Now I would like to discuss about pre-requirement subjects of domain options. First we will discuss about .NET Web Development. The key role is to develop web applications. The following subjects are pre-requirements. We have already discussed about VB.NET and SQL Server, and we should have study about C#, LINQ, that is Language Integrated Query, WCF, that is Window Communication Foundation. In this WCF all about service layer. We can store the library in the service layer and we can call that library from the application. And we should study about the content creation languages, that is HTML, JavaScript, CSS and jQuery, and also we should have study about Bootstrap, AngularJS, ASP.NET, MVC, that is Modern View Controller. So the next one is PHP developer. The key role is you can work in server-side scripting language. You will work for back-end components and assist for front-end developers. And pre-requirement subjects are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, PHP and MySQL, WordPress. The next requirement is Python developer. The key role is you can work in web development, game development, GUI development, automation, AI, product development, cloud development. Here you should have study related frameworks also. If you want to work in web development, you should know about AngularJS. If you want to work in game development, you should know about Pygame framework. So in Python you should know about the framework also. The important note is if you are proficient in this, the company hire you first and give you the opportunity to learn the language while you work. So it's a trending language now. And the next position is network engineer. If you want to learn about network engineer, you can search for certifications like Cisco, CCNA. Then you can get some idea. And the next option is automated testing, and then database administrator, and last one is translator. I have already discussed in the last video about translator. One more option is we can work in subtitle job also. The role is convert our language to Japanese for Indian cinema. I hope in this video you got a clear idea about the foundation subjects, different job roles, and how to choose domain. So thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.